In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a traffic ticket online in Leicester. Before you begin, make sure you have the right details ready. You'll need your penalty charge notice number, often called your PCN number, and your vehicle registration number. For moving traffic fines in Leicester, the PCN number typically starts with LG, so it's a good idea to have the notice in front of you to avoid typing errors. Start by going to the Leicester City Council Moving Traffic Fines page. Once you're on the page, look for the option that says Pay Your Moving Traffic Fine Online and click it. This will take you to the online portal where you can manage your notice. When the portal opens, you may notice that it includes a few different options. For example, if you've received a penalty charge notice and want to challenge it instead of paying right away, there is an online representation option available. If that applies to you, you can click Make a Representation and follow that route. This is useful if you believe the notice was issued incorrectly and want to submit your case online. If your goal is to pay the ticket, stay on the payment path. You'll also see that the portal allows you to view photos connected to the notice. If you want to check the evidence before paying, you can use the View a PCN option. That can be helpful if you want to confirm the details of the incident first. To continue with payment, click Pay a PCN. On the next screen, you'll be asked to enter your notice details. Type in your notice number carefully, exactly as it appears on the penalty charge notice. Then enter your vehicle registration number in the corresponding field. Take a moment to double check both entries, since even a small typo can stop the system from finding your record. Once everything looks correct, click Continue. This should bring up your ticket details and allow you to move forward. From there, proceed to payment and follow the remaining on-screen instructions to complete the transaction. As a final tip, after you pay, keep a copy of the payment confirmation for your records. A screenshot or confirmation email can be useful in case you need to refer back to the payment later. And if the page doesn't load properly, try refreshing your browser or using another device. That's it. You now know how to pay a traffic ticket online in Leicester.